We'll be there a little bit later, but Carol can tell us about the weather for everyone. What have we got coming to us, Carol? Morning.
Good morning. A pretty lovely day, actually, Lou, if you like. It's sunny, dry and pleasantly warm. That is after a chilly start. We've got some frost, pockets of frost in some rural areas. The other thing we have is a line of cloud across northern Scotland, more especially across the northwest, and we'll have that on and off. It will break here and there as we go through the course of the day. For the rest of Scotland and Northern Ireland, it's a dry start. There's some sunshine, a bit more cloud at times across the northwest of Northern Ireland, but the sun will get to work on that. And for Northern England, again, a beautiful start to the day. As we come south, there's a bit more cloud. We've also got some mist and some fog, particularly so across East Anglia and the southeast. Now that will take much of the morning before it burns back to the coast. For Wales into the Midlands, heading down towards the Isle of Wight and the southwest, again it's a chilly start. There's some patchy fog that will clear quite readily, and then we've got the sunshine. In fact, for most of us today, another cracking day. A lot of sunshine. There will be at times a wee bit more cloud across central and eastern parts of England, but nonetheless there will still be sunny spells and temperatures getting up into the high teens for the bulk of the UK. Now we could see higher temperatures than that across northeast Wales, around Merseyside, Newcastle, northeast Scotland. We could hit 21 Celsius, which wouldn't be bad at all for this time of year. As we head through the evening and overnight, we lose the murkiness from the east coast of East Anglia, and for many it's going to be a dry night. There will be some patchy fog forming, and in prone rural areas we could see a touch of frost. High pressure is still just hanging on to our weather tomorrow. We're importing continental air, which means that the temperatures will be higher tomorrow, but the air quality will also deteriorate, but that will be fairly transitory. So what we've got tomorrow is a wee bit more cloud around. Again, we're looking at a lot of sunshine, sunny spells. The cloud thick enough for the odd shower, but they'll be very isolated, and you'll be very unlucky if you do catch one. But there's a potential tomorrow somewhere in the southeast, could hit 22. Then tomorrow night into Saturday morning, we've got a weather front crossing us, bringing rain with it. Behind it, the wind changes tomorrow for westerly, so our air quality will improve. And as we go through Saturday, we lose the rain from the southeast. Eventually, we lose the cloud. And for many, it's going to be another fine and dry day, albeit breezy in the north and west. Now, the cloud's going to gather again in the north and the west, and we'll see the arrival of some rain. It's another system coming our way, and it looks very much like it's going to push across us. Now, we've been talking about high temperatures. They still won't be bad at all in the south. The far southeast probably staying dry until after dark, but in the north, it is going to be much fresher. And we'll be talking about some wintry showers. Most of those will be in the hills of Scotland, but that's in stark contrast to what we have seen. If you remember last Sunday on Easter Day itself, it was 21 Celsius in Aboyne, so that'll be a real shock to the system. Back to you two.
It's sort of got all upside down again, isn't it, Carol? Thank you very much.
Well, we saw some of those lovely sunshine temperatures as well around the UK. It's thought the seas around parts of Britain are home to dozens of basking sharks at this time of year, yet because it's so elusive, scientists still know very little about them.
In fact, one of our viewers saying they saw one this morning, and now they're asking for our help to ensure that they stay safe. And Nina Warhurst is in Newquay for us this morning, and she's been looking for some. Good morning.
Morning, Louise. Morning, Charlie. That's brilliant. There's already been